and welcome to Add More Zest. My name's Rebecca and I've got an unboxing today for you of the new ARTDOT sealer kit. So it comes in this box and it has a few things included which you can then use to prepare either your diamond painting or your off the canvas item to be able to apply the sealer. So you actually get quite a few goodies, and my goodness me, they are a gorgeous colour, I will say. But it does come with sort of instructions. So first up you get a lint roller to remove any dust and bits off the top of your diamond painting. So you use this to remove any bits of fluff, because who wants them to stay there forever. Then you get a fixing tool which you can then use to straighten up your drills. These are also really good to use when you start a diamond painting. And of course I've only got huge ones right next to me that I can, oh hang on, let's grab hold of one of my little mini paintings if I can get in my drawer, because while I have bought replacement handles for them, I've not yet used them. Let me find a flat one. So here we go. So this is just a mini painting, but these are perfect when you first start. So I always start in this bottom corner actually. You can either use this and just lay it down on the bottom edge to give you your nice flat edges, or you can then move it to the side and it gives you a really good starting point then, and then you can carry on. But you can also use these if you do decide to just place, and then you can give them a little nudge, or you can use them in between diamonds and sort of give it a little bit of a wiggle, and it'll straighten all your bits up. So there's that. Then you do get a really big bottle of this. So it is, does it tell me how many millilitres? No. Does it tell me on here? No. Oh, there we go. 480 millilitres. So you do get a nice, decent amount. Now, for this one, it does say you can pour it into the bottle cap or directly onto the painting. To be honest, I would either pour a little bit into the cap. It shows directly on the painting, but I would use it, either pour a bit into the cap, or at the beginning when you're first using it, just open the lid and dip your brush in, and then brush it over your diamond painting. So you do get a couple of different applicators for it, and they have loads and loads of details on their website, so do check that out. They have quite a detailed instruction on how to use this, but this one is like a silicone, so it's a bit like a spatula, but a very, very nice, pretty, much more useful spatula. So you get one of those to be able to brush it over, and then you also get a brush. Now you will need to rinse these afterwards. This one will probably dry nicer than this one, but you do get both depending on where it's sort of nooks and crannies that you need to get into. I use sealer on my off the canvas items, especially the likes of special diamond paintings as well. I often use them on because quite often it's a partial with poured glue, and you can end up with glue sort of around the outside or in between, where they've put a thin film of glue but you're not actually putting diamonds on every single piece of glue. So sealer is absolutely perfect for that. I've sealed most of my off the canvas items. So this bin that I did, I sealed that. There's no sticky in that at all. So yeah, this is absolutely perfect for that. Very much loving the colours and the design of this. So I'll be popping this in for my next off the canvas item I need to do. But I will pop a link down below, takes you to their site, gives you all the details, and then it has the relevant links to the right Amazon, depending on which country you're in. So you can also get it shipped extremely quickly. I'm going to pop these back in here for now, but I reckon they're not going to last in there much after me sealing my first painting. But yeah, always handy to have. You can also do your full diamond paintings if you want to. That is very much personal preference. If I'm framing behind glass, I don't tend to do it. Laziness kicks in. But if it is just going on like hanger bars, then it can be very handy to do, especially with rounds. Because there will be some adhesive behind those rounds, so it saves it picking up those dust bunnies that seem to appear, whether you want them to or not. But anyway, as I say, I will pop the link to this down below, but thank you all so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.